thanks for watching. So today we're going to Costco, so let's go shopping together. You guys, they have acai bowls now. I got the acai bowl. It kind of tastes more like froyo acai flavor. It's pretty good, and it even has like dried bananas and granola and strawberries and blueberries. But look at the consistency. It's like a lot.
Oh, interesting.
Like ice cream like.
Not like soft serve.
You guys, I'm not gonna buy furniture, but I never show you guys this side. Look how beautiful this is.
It's actually really nice.
Right, the color is really pretty. It's like greenish and it's wooden, and then they have this one.
We were actually talking about like getting a buffet.
I am all about
you know,
that
for like the other room.
Gorgeous, that one.
Yeah, this one's really nice.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna get this collapsible folding wagon. I've seen people have these at like the airports or something, and they have their car seat in it.
Yes.
And like as kids get older, we're not gonna bring that big stroller anymore, right? So this is perfect. 50 bucks. This is awesome. They have like, you know, sports equipment as an example, and like water bottles. This is gonna be good.
It's great for picnics too, like at the park.
Yeah.
Guys, I've been looking for like tank dresses for sleep, and I found these ones. It's like a wrap and a dress, and it's like 14 bucks, 15. Well, Justin's knocking on those watermelons. Oh, you got one?
Got one.
All right, we got a watermelon. Did I show you guys my pajama? I'm so excited. We've got some soy milk, some cherries, eggs. We came here for hard-boiled eggs. I love to put them in my salad. We've got some blueberries, strawberries, and bananas. I'm getting these chicken skewers. My boys love this, and Justin likes this with salad.
So, no longer on keto, guys, so I'm going back to my original bay, hummus.
I suggested this one for him, but he said no. These are cute.
Well, with these, I'll just do carrot sticks. This is 170 calories per thing. This is 370 because it has like pretzels inside. So.
I see. Ooh, they got guac. I love guac, you guys. I found my favorite trail mix, you guys. It has the blueberries, cranberries, some chocolate, yes, and some nuts, of course, because trail mix is nothing without nuts, right?
And then we also got these string cheese singles.
Oh my god, you guys. Oh, thank goodness it did not fall on my face, but Mango loves, you have to get this. You guys, I've never seen this, but it looks so good. The Asian sweet chili tempura crisp. And it's seaweed, so I have to get it. Have you guys ever tried this? I'm kind of curious. I'm not going to get it, but let me know if you guys have tried this and if it's good. Edamame Spaghetti. That looks good. Ooh, what's this? Hash brown potato? So you just, what, you pour this in? Wow, I've never seen this. So we're also getting some applesauce. These are Go Squeeze, and it's a 20 pack. We are getting 2. I kind of am tempted to get 3. These are so good. They're seaweed with almonds in the middle and a little bit of like honey to keep them together. They're so good. I'm getting these wipes. I think they're new because it says it has micellar water. I don't know if I've tried this before. So I've never tried the Kirkland brand shampoo and conditioner. So today we're gonna try this and see. So that was my Costco haul. Thank you guys so much for shopping with me. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!